Hey everyone, I just wanted to clarify where we're supposed to be and when we meet on Zoom and when we don't meet on Zoom, and then what your expectations are for asynchronous classes. So I went ahead and I filled out your period 2 and period 3 because I know you have those classes with me. So period 2 is math, period 3 is science. We meet synchronously together for math on Mondays and Thursdays. So that means you click the Zoom link. The Zoom links can be found in Aries. They can be found on Google Classroom. The Zoom link can be found in your email and in the calendar. And I'll show you all those ways that you can find the Zoom link. You click on the Zoom link and you join the meeting. When we meet asynchronously for math, that means you fill out your check-in question and you do the assignment for the day. Also any homework that you might have. You are assigned these classes when we meet asynchronously. And I am assigned as your teacher for those classes when we meet asynchronously. That means I need to take attendance. And for you to be marked as present, I need you to fill out the check-in questions for the day 15 minutes after, or within the 15 minutes of the beginning of class. So if we meet at 2:20 for math on Tuesdays and Fridays, that means I need your check-in question completed by 2:35. For science, I need your check-in question completed by 1:25. Okay, so the first 15 minutes, that check-in question needs to be done. You will likely have another assignment for math and science that I expect you to complete during the asynchronous time or for homework. Just make sure you get that check-in question done, and the due dates for all of our assignments are on there, so you'll be able to know when you need to get that assignment done. Am I expecting you to get the assignment done during class, like your Khan Academy video? That was the expectation. Or am I giving you a little bit more time to complete your assignments? So that should be found on Google Classroom under the assignments. So again, synchronously, we meet on Zoom for math at 11:50 on Mondays and Thursdays. We meet synchronously on Zoom for science on Tuesdays and Fridays at 10 o'clock. The word synchronous means together, and the word, when there's an A in front of a word, that means without. So without together, you're meeting without the group. So that is the schedule. You should have received this schedule in your advisory class. If you need access to it, let me know and I can share this copy with you. So you can also find this on Aries. All of the logins are for the classroom. They're on Aries, the Zoom links. And then I've gone ahead and I've added our synchronous and our asynchronous class times. So you'll know that we're meeting asynchronously at these times for math and science. So they're all here. And you'll know when we're meeting synchronously. You can also go to the calendar and join the Zoom meeting from here by just clicking on it. All of your assignments are also in this calendar, so you know that you have your asynchronous assignment in math for dividing fractions here. It'll tell you when it's due, and it'll take you straight to the link where it is in Google Classroom. So hopefully that clarified when we're meeting on Zoom and when you have independent work time. If you do have any questions, please reach out to me via email or on the phone. All of that contact information can be found in the syllabus. Thanks for watching.